Hey guys, what's up? So I ordered something from Summit Racing. Oh man, it was an intake for my Camaro, my 2011 Camaro. So check this out. Oh wow, this is beautiful right here. Oh yeah, man, the packaging is really good. I give it to them on this. Snap. All right, here we go. Okay, well we have, just in case you want to return it. We have a booklet on specials. Oh, turbos. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. It's turbos. Alright guys, this is beautiful right here. It looks like it was already open. Like I'm not sure. Okay, let's take a look here. Sorry if the quality is crap. I'm using a crap droid. You know, nothing modern. Alright, so we have the that thing. Oh, okay. Here we go. We got the fittings. Okay, there's two of them. We have the part that kind of divides the filter from the pipe itself. We have, oh, yeah, my car's theme is white, blue, and carbon fiber. So it only be right that I get my filter. Oh, blue. That thing looks, oh man, it looks beautiful. So I'm not even gonna lie. Look at that. BBK. I would say something racist. Rubber. I'm guessing that's gonna be useful at some point in time. Guys, this is my first time ever installing an intake on a car, so please forgive me if I seem partially stupid and not knowing the name of my parts. And the pipe itself, this beautiful pipe right here. Oh yeah, Jesus. Huh? Looks nice, looks very nice. So tomorrow I'll be installing this, and I'll show you guys what my car looks like as well. Peace. I'm out.